Hudson County Superior Court Assignment Judge Peter Bariso ruled in favor of placing a question on the Bayonne runoff ballot about whether or not city employees should have to live where they work, but not before Bayonne City Attorney Michael Diaquani argued against the ballot, saying that the signatures on the petitions collected by plaintiff Pat Desmond were fraudulent.
However, in reviewing the declarations that were provided to us yesterday, an issue came to light that we did not see before, which calls into question dozens, if not more than that, of other signatures. If that's my proffer as to what Mr. Sloan's testimony would be, I would be more than happy to give Your Honor some examples of what I'm talking about. It might be best illustrated by way of example. Really, it concerns the declarations that are contained on each petition, where Mr. Desmond and another woman named Doreen Diaz testified that certain people, or all the people that signed those petitions, signed them in their presence. Based on the declarations, it's clear that that's not true. So in Mr. Sloan's analysis, looking at those signatures and looking at those declarations, which are clearly fraudulent, he would eliminate entire pages. I would argue that any signature obtained by Mr. Desmond or Ms. Diaz should be rejected. Frankly, I don't know if Mr. Sloan would even go that far, but my point is that it literally dozens of signatures would be rejected on that basis.
But Judge Bariso wasn't buying Bayonne City Attorney Michael Diaquani's argument.
They may not look exactly alike, but I'm not going to accept the fact that what you're asking me to infer from this is that all those other petitions that were submitted were fraudulent.
I'm not saying all of them. I'm saying the petition.
Well, counsel, if you want me to infer that whole sheet is fraudulent, what are you trying to say? You're trying to say that these people didn't sign it in front of the individuals who certified it.
Right. Well, I mean, Judge, those are just the first two. I mean, every single one of them. So, I agree with you.
None of them are identical, okay? For the record, none of them are identical. But the case law doesn't say they have to be identical.
Well, none of them are.
And these are declarations signed under penalty of perjury by these individuals. It's not just a statement that Mr. Desmond created. They signed this.
I don't know if they signed it, because the two signatures are different. I mean, I really don't, Judge. I think there's a legitimate question there. It's not just that they're not identical. Those signatures are nothing alike. Nothing. And that's just the second one we looked at. You can go to the next one, Michael Fuhr. He signs the declaration.
Oh, counsel, come on.
Bayonne City Clerk Robert Sloan then told the court that the City Council has a statutory waiting period of up to 20 days to consider the ballot question, thereby prompting an angry exchange between plaintiff Pat Desmond and Robert Sloan.
Did you ever certify the referendum?
I certified it as being inadequate. Twice.
You certified it 721 were correct the first time around.
That's right.
That's right. You told me I needed 254 more.
That's right.
And I got the 254 more.
You were close.
No, I got it.
Exactly.
I got it. And then after you gave it to Mr. Coffey and Mr. DeMarco, you changed it.
That's not true.
That is true. That's 100% true.
We asked Mr. Sloan on camera to get his response to Mr. Desmond's concern that the City Council will just outright repeal the ordinance when it next meets on April 18th.
Well, if they repeal it, we go back to the original version. See, the ordinance that they challenged made our residency requirement, which had been on the books for a long, long time, but never enforced. It now said, as of October 1st of 2017, we are going to enforce residency. New hires will sign a statement that says that they understand the residency requirement and they will abide by it. So that ordinance gets thrown out and the old version goes back into effect. So then it becomes a political question whether the council, and it's not the council doesn't enforce it, the administration, whether the administration is going to go after people who have moved out of town. They were trying to get Joe DeMarco. He mentioned that in court today. Well, DeMarco's on leave of absence now, so I don't know. They may have won. Ultimately, they may have won what they were really looking for.
Mark Bruce reporting from Jersey City for Hudson County View, the eye of the community.